In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch to Google Assistant. So if you're using Pixel device or any Android phone, and when you press and hold down the power button or summon the Google Assistant, if you're seeing Gemini instead of Google Assistant, here's how you can switch back to Google Assistant. I'm going to show you the quickest way, which is through settings. So you need to open settings on your phone, and once settings is open, you want to tap on apps. Under apps, you'll see general, scroll down under general, and you'll see assistant. Tap on assistant, scroll down under assistant, and you see digital assistant from Google. Tap on this and you'll be able to switch to Google Assistant. Tap on Google Assistant and then tap on switch. Once you've made this switch, anytime you summon your AI assistant, Google Assistant will be your preferred option. Now the second method, you can do this through the Google Gemini app. Tap and open Gemini and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Under this, you see switch to Google Assistant. Tap on switch to Google Assistant and it will bring you here to switch to Google Assistant. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to this channel and have the post notification turned on.